Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to update your app distributed on the App Store step by step. Let's open Xcode and open your project. Develop your new feature. You can see that I've already made some adjustments to the code to update SF symbols within the app to add animations. If you want to learn how to animate symbols in your app for a sleek, fresh UI experience, check out the video linked below. You should have already uploaded your project to GitHub, as Apple requires this in order to distribute your app on the App Store. First, let's push our changes to GitHub. Next, click your app's name at the top left corner of Xcode. Go to the General tab. Find Version under the Identity section. Increase your version number according to the changes you made. It could be a major update or a minor one, it's up to you. After making your changes, don't forget to click outside of the version number field so that Xcode saves the update. Now go to the Product menu at the top of Xcode. Click Archive. Xcode will open a new window listing the versions of your app. Here, the new version of our app, 1.4, appears at the top. Click Validate to check for any issues with the build before submission. This may take a couple of minutes, don't worry about it. I've increased the video speed here for convenience. Once validation is complete, click Done. You can see the validation successful status here. Now click Distribute App. Select App Store Connect, then click Distribute. Finally, click Done. We are done with the Xcode for now. Next, open Safari and go to App Store Connect. Sign in with your credentials. Go to your apps and select the app you want to update. You'll see all the information you previously submitted when you first published your app. Click the plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. Enter your new version number. Remember, we already specified it in Xcode under the General tab, so make sure to use the same version number here. App Store Connect will automatically carry over information from the previous version, so you don't need to enter it again. Now find the What's New in this version box. Briefly explain the changes and improvements you have made. This information will be displayed to users on the App Store. Scroll down to the Build section. Click Add Build. If you don't see the Add Build button yet, don't worry about it. Just wait a couple of minutes, then refresh the page. It may take some time for Apple to list your newly archived version here on the list. Select the build version we just archived from Xcode. You may see a missing compliance warning. Apple requires you to confirm whether your app uses any encryption algorithms. Since my app doesn't use one, I'll select None and click Save. There are no further changes required for this version. Click Save, then click Add for Review. We are almost done. Now click Submit for App Review. That's it. Your app has been submitted for review. Now you just need to wait for Apple to review and approve your update for distribution. If you want to follow status updates live, I recommend downloading App Store Connect on your phone. It will notify you when your app is in review or approved for distribution. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on this topic.